In today's video, I'm going to show you some strategies that you can use to make your online course website even make more money. So typically what you find in a website or an online course website is a system that looks similar to this. So here is the traffic. So people come onto your website, and these are, let's say these are the courses. They select a course, and then straight away it takes them to the sales page. And then after the sales page, they go to the checkout page and then the thank you page. Now this generally it works okay, but you can actually make even more money by introducing upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, you've spent enough money already on the traffic. So let's say you're spending £2,000, for your traffic, and the people that are coming to buy the course are just buying one particular course. If you get, let's say, a percentage of those people actually buying an upsell, this is extra money on top of what you'd have got in the first place. So that way you're actually making more money than what you're projected to make the first time around. And also because you're adding them to the mailing list, you can also sell them even other courses down the line. So the reason why this system here is not great is because you're only selling one product at a time. So even if you have one course, I would strongly advise that you have 2 or even 3 courses. That way you can sell your main course and then upsell a related course as an upsell or as an order bump. And then if they don't buy that one because it's expensive, you can then downsell to a cheaper one. And that should be a funnel that would really, really work efficiently for you, because it's very expensive to get traffic coming to your website. So if you can make extra money on that same traffic coming to your website, of course, that would be the ideal situation. So let me show you what this would look like. So here on the diagram, we see that, again, similar to what we had before, your traffic, they come onto your website, and let's say they choose a course right here. They takes them to the sales page. And then when they click buy now, instead of going to the checkouts right away, they go to the upsell. So over here on the upsell, as I mentioned earlier on, you are now selling a course which is related to the one that they are just about to buy. For example, let's say you're teaching a course on how to design websites using WordPress. Maybe the upsell course could be something to do with security, how to secure your WordPress website. So that could be your upsell. Or it could be maybe a course on SEO. So this could be how to optimize all your content or all your articles for SEO, and that could be an extra course that you'll be selling. So for this strategy to work, you have to be choosing courses that are related to each other. Otherwise, then there won't be a reason for anyone to want to take on that upsell. Another way you could also do this is by introducing maybe a subscription after they've bought the course. So instead of selling them an upsell to a course, you can sell them an upsell to a subscription, maybe a membership on your website, where maybe normally the price could be £30 or $30, but after the discount on the upsell, you could reduce it maybe by 50%, and this could be $15. Another thing that you also need to be aware of is on these upsells, for these upsells to work, they have to reflect the actual prices and also the discounted price. So let's say the course you're upselling to, let's say in this case, you've sold your first course. This is how to design websites, and your upsell course is to do with, let's say, security, how to secure your WordPress website. So this course could be maybe going for $99 on your website if they come directly. But if they buy through the upsell, it needs to be a discount for that to be enticing for them to buy. So it needs to be a discount. Maybe it could be a 30% discount. So they buy the first course, and then on the upsell, the course was, let's say, $99, now $70. That is more appealing to someone who wants to buy your course, because you're giving them a one-time offer. Now, if they don't take on that, again, when you take a look at this diagram here, you can offer them a cheaper course. Maybe this could be a basic course about maybe how to back up your website. And this time, normal price could be $49, but you can buy it now for, let's say, $19. So that's how the upsell and the downsell would work. So in this case, after you've sold your main product, they instead of just going straight to your checkout after they've bought the first one, you could actually start making money on the upsell or even on the downsell. And this is how the pros do it. And for this system to work, it needs some pieces of software that you need to have in place. So in this case, designing our online course website, we're using WordPress. And then for learning management system, we're actually using LearnDash. And for the upsells and the downsells, we're going to be using CutFlow Pro. Now, all the software that I'm going to be talking about here are going to be included in the video description below. So these are the main ones that you need in order for you to really bring all this up and running. And this initially, like I said, it could be quite expensive to have this in place. In fact, I've had people say, but you know what, CutFlows is quite expensive. But to be honest, yes, it may cost a lot of money. That's like $300 per year. But if you're setting up a system that's going to make you money, you want a system that is solid. So in this case, I look at it as an investment. And to be honest, I use CutFlows myself. I've actually made that money back by far by just signing up for that $299 package. And also when it comes to your courses, even LearnDash, you know, you'll make your money by just selling a few courses and the rest will be pretty much profit. So I would highly recommend that you look at this system, try it out. I can assure you that this will definitely, you know, make your online course website perform even better financially, and you can make a lot more profit. All right, so that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I also have more videos on LearnDash, CutFlow, so just take a look at my YouTube channel or go to funnelstoincome.com. You'll see all those extra tutorials and videos that I've done around these topics. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.